Atoms are the building blocks of matter, consisting of a positively charged nucleus and negatively charged electrons. This presentation explores key discoveries shaping the modern atomic model. Dalton's atomic theory proposed atoms as indivisible particles, identical for each element. Compounds form when different elements' atoms combine in whole number ratios. Subatomic particles were discovered through various experiments: electrons by J.J. Thomson, 1897, protons by Ernest Rutherford, 1919, and neutrons by James Chadwick, 1932. Thomson's plum pudding model depicted the atom as a sphere of positive charge with embedded negatively charged electrons, creating a neutral atom overall. Rutherford's gold foil experiment revealed unexpected alpha particle scattering, leading to the proposal of a nuclear model with a small, dense, positively charged nucleus. Rutherford's nuclear model described the atom as mostly empty space with a small, dense nucleus containing protons and electrons orbiting in circular paths. Rutherford's model had limitations. Classical physics predicted electron instability, couldn't explain discrete emission spectra, and failed to detail electron arrangement or energy levels. Bohr's model of the hydrogen atom introduced quantized orbits where electrons exist in specific, stable energy levels, jumping between levels by absorbing or emitting specific energy amounts. Bohr's postulates included quantized angular momentum, energy levels, and light emission during electron transitions, with quantum behavior aligning with classical physics at high quantum numbers. Bohr's model successfully predicted hydrogen's emission spectrum, provided a theoretical basis for the Rydberg constant, and explained why electrons remain stable without spiraling into the nucleus. Bohr's model couldn't explain multi-electron atom spectra, fine structure in spectral lines, or provide a mechanism for chemical bond formation, limiting its applicability. Wave-particle duality emerged as light was described as waves in classical physics, but Einstein showed light behaves as particles, photons, in the photoelectric effect. Louis D. Broglie proposed that all matter, including particles, has wave-like properties, leading to the equation lambda is equal to hp, predicting wave-like behavior for particles. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle states it's impossible to simultaneously know a particle's exact position and momentum, setting fundamental limits on quantum measurement precision. The Schrödinger wave equation describes a system's quantum state using a wave function psi, with vertical bar to giving the probability density of finding a particle at a specific position. Quantum numbers define an electron's state in an atom: principal, n, for energy level, azimuthal, L, for orbital shape, magnetic, ml, for orientation, and spin, ms, for intrinsic angular momentum. Atomic orbitals include s, spherical shape, 1 per shell, p, dumbbell shape, 3 per shell, and d orbitals, complex shapes, 5 per shell. Electron configuration rules: Aufbau principle, fill from lowest to highest energy; Pauli exclusion principle, no identical quantum numbers; and Hund's rule, occupy separate orbitals before pairing. Electron configuration notation includes spectroscopic, example 1s to 2s2, orbital diagrams, boxes with arrows, and noble gas notation, example Ne 3s to 3p6. Periodic table blocks: S, outermost electrons in s orbitals; p, outermost electrons in p orbitals; d, transition elements with partially filled d orbitals; and f, lanthanides and actinides. Exceptions to the Aufbau principle: chromium, Ar, 3d54s1, and copper, Ar, 3d104s1, have half-filled and fully filled subshells, providing extra stability. Valence electrons, located in an atom's outermost shell, determine chemical reactivity and bonding behavior, equal to the group number for main group elements. Core electrons, unaffected during chemical reactions, shield valence electrons from the full nuclear charge, reducing the effective nuclear charge experienced by valence electrons. Effective nuclear charge, ZeF is equal to Zs, is the net positive charge experienced by an electron, increasing across a period and decreasing down a group in the periodic table. Atomic radius, half the distance between nuclei of adjacent atoms of the same element, decreases across a period and increases down a group due to effective nuclear charge and shell number. Ionization energy, the energy required to remove an electron from a gaseous atom, generally increases across a period and decreases down a group, with successive ionizations requiring more energy. Electron affinity, the energy change when a gaseous atom gains an electron, generally becomes more negative across a period and less negative down a group, indicating energy release or absorption. Electronegativity, an atom's ability to attract shared electrons in a chemical bond, is measured on the Pauling scale, 0.7 to 4.0, increasing across a period and decreasing down a group. Cations are smaller than their parent atoms due to fewer electrons and increased proton attraction, while anions are larger due to more electrons and increased electron repulsion. Understanding atomic structure is crucial for predicting chemical bonding, analyzing spectral lines in spectroscopy, developing new materials in nanotechnology, and advancing nuclear technology.